College explosion is happening. Let me hear y'all say, yeah! One more time, y'all say, yeah! All right.
When I say straight out, you say college. Straight out. College. Straight out. College. When I say straight out, you say college. Straight out. College. Straight out. Woo!
And I don't mean to disrespect what I'm saying. To me, the system is so set up against young black people.
That's right.
Young black men, it is. When you see young men that come in and say, man, I didn't do it. I didn't do it, and they actually didn't do it. When we had a DA that was releasing young men that was innocent, y'all, the system is set up against us. So we, as young black men, we have to be more than our counterparts. And I'm a preacher, so y'all forgive me. We have to be more than conquerors. Because the system, y'all, is just set up against young black men. And we have to make the right decision, y'all, the first time. Sometimes we don't have the luxury, y'all, of messing up. Young men, we don't have the luxury, y'all, of messing up and thinking that we can get a second chance. Sometimes it just don't happen for us. So we have to make the right decision. Listen to your mom, listen to your dad. I would say listen to the voice of experience. You don't know everything. You don't know everything. You have lived life. And when you have other people, these judges put this together, when they pour it out into y'all, y'all take that and run with it. Go to college. College might not be for everybody, but when somebody take out the time and pour back out to you, listen, because you don't know. Because what happens is life happens.
No, life is about a purpose. Most times you hear the word purpose is because you did something wrong. One of the things that I'm driven. My spirit always been like that. I see some individuals in this room that are still in school that know me and know my spirit. You tell me I can't, that challenges me to prove to you that I can. Like PK, you asked about work, I handle it a little differently. Because I have consistently been in order for a minute, because it takes some time, we creatures of habit, it takes some time to change. But it's worth it. It hurts. Most of y'all run from pain. You want to quit. Somebody tell you can't. I heard y'all rap a whole song. That means every single one of y'all ought to be excellent students. That's just all that is. And like PK said, everybody's not for college, but life is what it is. I didn't graduate. I got my associates in prison. So let go and move forward. Your friends, they'll tell you the right thing. And I'm telling you, one thing that you do not chase, and I know y'all all want to be millionaires. Okay? Because success is not defined by the money that's in your pocket. It's defined by the lives that you change.